Hi folks, Mark here, Views from Mark, and this is just a very brief video following a few comments and questions that I've had in my previous videos on YouTube, and I've had a few questions come through on Instagram as well about what the Super-LumiNova is like on this No Time to Die Special Edition Amiga. So I just thought I'd do this quick video to give you a view of it. So here you can see it's a stunning thing to behold. It's been really well applied, and I'm really liking that they've actually incorporated the Super-LumiNova effect onto the actual bezel of the watch. So on the outside edge there, you can see outside of the dial of the watch and on the bezel itself. Not only do they have, as traditional with the professional diving watch, they have the Super-LumiNova point at the top of the dial and the bezel. It actually goes all the way around as well, so the numbers are highlighted, and it just gives you a really nice view of the face of this watch. And the Super-LumiNova effect, as you can see here, I think is really nice. It's really tastefully done, and it's a lovely addition to the watch. So side by side now you can see that the Spectre Limited Edition and the No Time to Die Special Edition are side by side, and just to give you a comparison view of the Super-LumiNova effect on both of these, here we go. So there you can see quite clearly the main differences of having the Super-LumiNova also applied to the bezel of the watch as it is on the No Time to Die Special Edition, compared to not having it applied on the Spectre Limited Edition, which is on the left. Both watches are beautiful. The look of them in nighttime with the Super-LumiNova is beautiful on both of them. It's just a different look. It feels like you're getting more information. There's a bit more there on the No Time to Die watch, but both watches stunning to look at in night or day. I hope you've enjoyed this short video, and if you have, please press subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and press the notification bell button so that when I post future videos, you'll get a notification pop up. Thanks very much.